Welcome back to Colton's Real Adventures.
Look, buddy, these are good for catching big pikes.
What is this?
That's a frog for bass fishing, but only big bass will eat it usually.
What is that? This thing?
These catch pike real good.
How much money is it?
$3.50.
How much money will I have?
You would have left $46.50.
Okay, I'll buy this.
Okay.
What's this?
That's fishing line.
$5.50.
Yeah.
Yep, good job.
buddy.
Then how much money would I have?
You'd have 41 left.
I have $10. Would this work for bigger bass?
That won't catch bass, but it'll catch big pike up in Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Yep.
Wait, aren't we going to Minnesota?
Yep. So that's the same as that. That's just a big one. The little one would be. I'd get the little one.
Is the little one less expensive?
Yes.
What is this for? Trying to hide stuff. What do you think this is?
Those I think came from over there.
Yeah,
Maybe.
the $3.
No, that just says there's 3 of them.
Do you think these will work good? I think they might work good.
Yeah, we got. Oh, they're $2. So now you got $9.
Okay. I'm counting check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 things. Hey, Daddy, can you keep all this stuff here?
You can just leave it there for now.
What's after 7?
What's after 7?
8. Okay, so I got 8 things. I don't need any of these.
It makes it $52.30
Give
altogether.
her your card, buddy.